I'm 3 on Your Side's Gary Harper, and it's time to start thinking about filing your taxes. So get your documents together, but before you actually file, keep in mind there are a ton of changes that you need to know about when it comes to the tax code. And that's exactly what we're talking about in the 3 on Your Side podcast. Just go to the bottom of your screen there. You'll see a QR code, scan that, and that will take you straight to the podcast. But in the meantime, here's a preview. Filing your income taxes. You want to make sure you do things correctly because there are a lot of changes you may not know about.
So I'd start off by saying for 2021, there are new deductions. For example, there's a charitable donation deduction that's available to all taxpayers, whether you itemize or not. You can now take a charitable donation, $300 if you're single, $600 if you're married.
Mark Steber is the Chief Tax Information Officer with Jackson Hewitt, and he has 35 years of tax experience. He says there's a misconception when it comes to people who work remotely from home because they think they can automatically deduct their home office. What are the qualifications for deducting a home office?
Yeah, it's pretty simple, and there's a lot of urban myth out there, and I'll tell you what it's not. It's not working at home with an office. That may sound like a home office, but it doesn't meet the IRS rules.
And Stever says file your taxes early rather than later because there are a lot of benefits filing early, particularly if your identity has been stolen.
When you file your tax return with the IRS and your state, it locks up your personal data. It locks your Social Security number. It locks your spouse's Social Security number if you're married. It locks your dependent's Social Security numbers. So if some schemer out there has got your personal information that they bought on the dark web or have from other data breach during the year, and they try to file a sneaky tax return and get your refund, if you file first, they're locked out.
To hear the entire conversation, it's easy. Just go to where you download your favorite podcast, look for 3 on Your Side, and remember, we upload a new segment every Monday. I'm Gary Harper, 3 on Your Side.